Hey guys, in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to do these foxy eyes that everybody has been talking about. I think Bella Hadid and Kendall Jenner have been using them a lot. And I really like this trend actually. It was a really easy makeup to do. I hope you enjoy it. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, I already prepped my skin and my lips. I'll leave the video in which I'll show you how to right here. So let's start the eyes. Okay, so before we start, I'll show you how I got to this. This is a band-aid that I cut in 4 pieces, and we'll use it to stick it right here. And it's easy to take it off after we do the eyes because it doesn't stick to our skin. Place them towards the end of your eyebrows, starting from the bottom of your eyes until the end of the eyebrows, like this. We'll start with the darker shade. So something like this. This is the Naked 3. And we'll just start with a fluffy brush. Do that to both eyes. It should look something like this. Okay, now we go for the brown shades. I'll go for something like this and kind of blend it in with this one. This is Festival palette right where. Get another fluffy brush as well. I think the key in this eye is always blending it all in. Oh, and don't get to the inner corner of the eye because that's the opposite of what we want to do. We want to focus all the makeup towards the end of the eye like this. Now we'll take the band-aids off. Okay, so this is how it looks after we take the band-aid. So now we can start adding a little bit of the darker shades, since now we already have the line. And then start bringing in the black and blending it in with the brown shade. Now we blend it all in. So now we just get a black eyeliner. And then just put a little bit very close to the eyelashes here. And start to draw a line, but very, very soft. See? So now we're just highlighting this part here because we want that to stand out. So I think the most important trick is when you're applying mascara, you should focus it only on the end like this. And do not put it on the inner side. Ooh, ooh. Oh, oh. And pull it towards this direction like this. And that's it. Okay guys, so this is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comments below. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Bye.